Thermador has two Pro range series, the Pro Grand and the Pro Harmony. Both have their pros and cons, but which will be right for you? In this video, you'll learn the similarities and differences between the Pro Grand and Pro Harmony. Then we'll discuss reliability based on real service calls logged by our service department last year. In the end, you'll know which Thermador range is right for you. The Pro Grand and the Pro Harmony have more similarities than differences. Let's go over size differences and then feature differences in all gas and dual fuel. Let's look at sizes. In terms of sizes, the Pro Harmony is available in 30, 36, and 48 inch, while the Pro Grand is available in 36, 48, and 60 inch sizes. The biggest difference may be its depth. The Pro Grand is 27 and 7/8 inches deep versus 24 3/4 for the Harmony. The main oven will be 5.7 cubic for the Pro Grand, 4.9 cubic for the Pro Harmony, so you can fit a chef's pan on the Pro Grand. However, the Harmony will sit flush in your cabinets, whereas the Pro Grand will protrude almost 4 inches. They look similar, but the Pro Grand has an enhanced 22,000 BTU burner versus 18,000 in the Harmony. Both have the star burner. The other burners have the same output of 18 and 15,000 BTU for both ranges. Let's talk about what they have in common on the cooktop. They both have similar simmers, along with an electric grill and griddle option. Only the Pro Grand has an induction burner option. For controls, both ranges are again similar, with the Pro Grand adding a small radio clock. The Pro Grand is available with a full steam oven and warming drawer, as well as double ovens in their larger 48 and 60 inch sizes. Steam's a healthy way of cooking by adding moisture and not baking out nutrients. Warming drawers can keep food warm up to 3 hours without dehydrating like a microwave. It's useful if you cook and then your family may sit down later to eat. The Harmony is available in just regular ovens only. Both have the same single convection oven. For modes, the Pro Grand also has a proof mode for baking bread and is self-cleaning in gas as well as dual fuel, whereas the Harmony is self-cleaning and only dual fuel, not gas. The Pro Grand gas range is typically $1,500 to $2,000 more expensive. For reliability, Thermador is about average at 13.4% in the first year for all gas. For dual fuel, that repair rate more than doubles to about 30%. Dual fuel tends to have more issues than all gas in any brand, not just Thermador. For any Pro range, service and service availability should be a deciding factor before buying any brand. First, they're both good options. The Pro Grand does have a good all-around array of features for oven size, BTU output, with the possibility of induction on the top. It is self-cleaning in both gas and dual fuel. However, the Pro Harmony sits flush to the cabinets, which could be a consideration depending on where your island is placed in your kitchen. The Harmony is also less expensive. Whether you consider the Pro Grand or the Pro Harmony, make your decision based on what features are important to you and how you use the range. Click the link in the description below to download our free Pro Cooking Buying Guide and to learn more about popular units with in-depth comparisons of all the most popular brands, answers to frequently asked questions, and buying strategies to save you money. Thanks for watching.